Hi, I'm David Gagnon. I'm the director of Field Day Lab, an educational game studio and research laboratory at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. I was lucky enough to be a tools competition winner a few cycles ago and created a project called Open Game Data as part of that work. Open game data is really designed to decouple the work that goes into not only producing games, distributing games, building the infrastructure to record telemetry data, and then as well as the infrastructure to analyze all that game data. With funds from the tools competition, we were able to split those pieces apart. And the end goal of this is that different researchers around the world now have access to all of these data. They've got ways of sharing analysis code. And in general, the purpose is more people are going to get to do more stuff with game data that is already being collected month after month. Right now, Open Game Data collects data from 17 different games. It's a little over 1.5 million plays per year. So an individual day could be anywhere between 2,000 and 10,000 players will generate telemetry data. And all that data makes its way onto a website where it is publicly available along with analysis code. So let's go look at that website. So this is the Open Game Data website, the kind of front end for all of the work that went into this tool. So if we look at the site, there are really two big offerings that it has to the public. One of them is a number of ways to get involved with the community and to integrate in with the various phases and people that are required to do these kinds of analysis. And then the star of the show probably is the data itself. If we kind of scroll down here, we'll see that currently there are 17 games that are integrated with the system, and there's more coming. If we look within any one game, we see that the entire pipeline from game source code that generates events and could be modified to run experiments, all the way through the different levels of processing that take place and kind of resulting in publications. It's all made available and open. So at every phase of this, we're really looking for different people to be able to leverage our investments and other developers' investments and also contribute back. So if someone has an interesting analysis that they have come up with or can run, we can integrate that in and run certain things like feature engineering on the live production site going from that point forward, all managed via GitHub and pull requests. So the site ends up giving a lot of opportunities to get involved. And one of the things that we're probably most excited about is how this is expected to just jumpstart just a ton of research that utilizes the unique affordances of these rich game data and really trying to accelerate the kinds of work that can be done with that data.